This is the menu that I chose. The price is 50,000 gift. Today I take you guys to have dinner, right? Dinner with me. The time the time now 6 p.m. The food had come. So delicious. Right. It's called khẩu cay chicken. The taste, right? Look at this. Very delicious guys. I'm so hungry. Very hungry. Good. It means my voice that I spoke will be quite not loud. I quite said says not loud, but how to say not loud? Quiet, right? Because it's help the customer in the restaurant, and I still feel shy. What I said, I speak alone, something like that. Sabadi guys, sabadi in my language mean hello, hi. Welcome to my first video that I will seriously to make, guys. To make. I just want to practice my English speaking, guys, like my channel name. Practice speaking English. I hope all of you guys understand me that I try so much to practice speaking. I really want to speak English fluent, and I know all the sentence that I speak, that I said, the grammar absolutely mistake, and the words that I use are wrong. Because I don't know the words, even the grammar, I also don't know where the mistakes, because grammar in English for me is very difficult. And I don't know how to say in my language. We don't have many grammars. We just have the main sentence that we use is I think one sentence maybe, but we have only one sentence, not much like English. That is there is 20 sentence, right, and 24. I just know something like that, and so that make me feel that that I said before, it make me always use only one sentence when I speaking, even writing everything that I use English. I always like to use only one sentence. That is our present perfect, present sentence, right? I hope all you guys may understand me that I want to practice speaking English.